Menopause brings many changes to a woman's body, including muscle loss and reduced strength. We'll explore how to rebuild muscles and regain strength after menopause with scientifically proven strategies. Menopause is a natural transition that brings about significant hormonal changes which can lead to a decline in muscle mass and strength. However, with the right strategies, you can regain and even build stronger muscles during this time. Why does muscle loss happens after menopause? Muscle loss or sarcopenia is a common issue after menopause, but why does it happens? Decline in estrogen. Estrogen plays a key role in maintaining muscle mass. Slower metabolism. As we age, metabolism slows down, making it harder to maintain or build muscle. Reduce physical activity. Many women reduce physical activity after menopause, further accelerating muscle loss. Additionally, research shows that many menopausal women may not be consuming enough dietary protein, which is essential for maintaining and rebuilding muscles. Strategies for rebuilding muscles and strength. To combat the muscle and strength challenges of menopause, we need to focus on three main areas: nutrition, exercise, and supplementation. Let's divide into each one. Nutrition. Protein is the building block of muscles. After menopause, your protein needs increase to support muscle repair and growth. Aim for higher protein intake, around 1.4 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Prioritize high quality protein sources such as meat, fish, eggs, yogurt, especially Greek yogurt, and plant-based options like legumes, chickpeas, sprouted mungs, and soy products. Greek yogurt is a thick, creamy, and protein-rich delight packed with health benefits. You can easily make it at home using regular yogurt. To make Greek yogurt at home, you need just a few simple items: regular yogurt, homemade or store-bought, a cotton cloth for straining the yogurt, and a strainer and a bowl to catch the liquid. Pour the regular yogurt into the cloth-lined strainer. Now let it strain for 2 to 4 hours. After straining, you notice a thick creamy yogurt left on the top of the cloth. This is your homemade Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a nutritional powerhouse, contains 50 to 20 grams of protein, almost double of that of regular yogurt. This makes it an excellent choice for muscle building, muscle repair and growth, keeping you full for longer, which aids in weight management. Greek yogurt is lower in carbohydrates compared to regular yogurt. Greek yogurt is loaded with probiotics, healthy bacteria that supports gut health and digestion, a stronger immune system, contains healthy fats. If using whole milk, yogurt supports hormone production and overall cell function. The right strainer helps you get that perfect texture and is designed to drain the liquid efficiently. If you're interested in a high quality strainer that's perfect making Greek yogurt, click the link in the description below. It's durable, easy to clean, and essential for any yogurt lover. Omega-3 fatty acids for muscle health. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation and improve muscle function. Best sources are fatty fish like salmons, mackerels, and sardines. Plant-based sources like chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Include omega-3 rich foods at least twice a week. The power of resistance training. When you lift weight or perform bodyweight exercises, tiny tears occurs in your muscle fiber. Your body repairs these tears, making the muscles stronger and bigger over time. Weightlifting with dumbbells, barbells, or resistance bands increases muscle mass, boosts bone density, and enhances strength. Resistance bands are the perfect solutions. Lightweight, portable, and versatile. They are must-have for your fitness routine. You can easily take them anywhere, home, gym, or even while traveling. They fit right in your bag. If you're interested in high-quality resistance bands for muscle building, click the link in the description below. These bands are durable, easy to use, and comes in various resistance levels to match your fitness goals. Incorporate aerobic exercise. Cardiovascular exercises helps improve heart health and support muscles endurance. Brisk walking, cycling, swimming, Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercises per week. In addition to a healthy diet, certain supplements can aid in muscle rebuilding. Protein powder, great for post-workout recovery. Creatine enhances muscle strength and endurance. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. I hope this video has provided valuable insights and strategies to rebuild your muscle and strength after menopause. उर्दू और हिंदी व्यूवर्स, मेरा एक दूसरा चैनल है एक्सप्लोर वर्ल्ड विद इकबाल। अगर आप हेल्थ रिलेटेड वीडियो पर इंटरेस्टेड है तो जरूर चैनल को विजिट करें, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो के साथ में, तब तक स्टे एक्टिव एंड स्टे हेल्दी।